Second one, 解 Before that, we introduce the left part. This is also a 形声字 ，OK， 形声字。Left part is 角 ，is horn. Any kind of horn. Okay, it's just a picture of the horn of an ox or cow, or a sheep, lamb, all kinds of horn. So this providing mainly contribute to the pronunciation. This time from left side. Right side provide a meaning. Upper side is a knife. Lower part is an ox or a cow or cattle. Maybe a cattle is more general to say, because in very, very ancient time, this 角 could be used kind of a knife too. At least when you cultivate a crop like wheat, you use this to make a hole, and you put the seed and cover it with dirt and water in it, and it can grow, right? And later on, then people use stone to make a knife. Then later on, people use bronze to make a knife. And later on, people use iron. Now they're using steel to make a knife. But 解 itself is you use a knife to cut the pieces, to dissect a cattle. Separate, dissect it. That's the basic meaning of 解. Original meaning of 解. So originally seen, you can emphasize the head. Using in central part is the skull. A two-person separated. Then you use later on develop using the tool with a knife. Okay, the most useful 词 of 角 is 角落 corner, 角度 angle. Very sharp angle is called 尖角, like from this one. Very sharp angle, 尖角. 解 Oh, I can provide you another词 here for 解 here. 解开 open the knob. 解开 Another character called librate. 解放 放 means let it go to. 解放 解开 解放 They use a knife to cut it in pieces. There's a story actually, a very interesting story related to this 解. It's called a 庖丁解牛. 庖丁 is a chef, very famous chef in Chinese history. He doesn't have a name. His name is 庖丁. He cut the horse for a king. Very fast, very skillful.